Still love that broccoli, huh? What are we eating for dinner? Veggies. We fixed spaghetti, but he only wants veggies tonight. Huh? You being silly? Show me how you eat your broccoli.
Hold that.
Hold that. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Are you silly? You silly? You silly? That was gross. I just seen your food in your mouth. That was gross. Nathan. Did you put too much in your mouth? His mouth is full. Like, totally full.
So don't get choked, baby.
Can you chew it? A little bit. A lot bit. Why don't you take a drink and help wash it down? A little bit. Teeny tiny bit.
I'll say this might be one of my best potato recipes.
You know what that is?
What is that?
That's filling. It's strong.
Oh, that's the stalk.
Yep.
You're so silly. Oh, I seen your broccoli again. That's gross.